Little storyteller.
Leo loved snow. Big fluffy snowflakes were his favorite. One winter day, Leo got a special gift, a super-powered magnifying glass. It sparkled like ice and made tiny things look huge. A big snowflake landed on Leo's mitten. He held up his magnifying glass. Wow! Inside the snowflake, there was a tiny, sparkly city. Little snow people with rosy cheeks were walking around. They had tiny shops with shiny ice windows and little houses made of snow crystals. Leo saw a little snow girl with bright blue eyes trying to reach a shiny icicle hanging from a roof. She was too small to reach it. A friendly snow boy with a stripy hat saw her struggling. He smiled and carefully pushed a small snowdrift under her feet. Now she could reach the sparkly icicle. She giggled and thanked the snow boy. The sun peeked through the clouds, making the snowflake shimmer. Leo felt a tiny wet drop on his mitten. The city in the snowflake was starting to disappear. The snow people waved goodbye with their little mitten hands. Leo smiled. He learned that even in a tiny snowflake, being kind and helping others makes everyone happy. And just like every snowflake is unique and beautiful, every act of kindness, no matter how small, is special too.
Please subscribe. Thank you.